So one other thought also that I had about the glass media and the fiberglass pool is, did the installer or the guy that the service guy that did the work, did he do the process properly? Because depending on what the glass media was, is depending on the right coarseness. A lot of the systems require that you put X number of bags of coarse media down first before the fine media. And I could see potentially being a problem if you did that wrong, if they didn't either use enough coarse media first, or if they did it reversed by accident, or they, something else could have happened in there. But, with a typical sand change, you just empty out the sand, check the fittings inside, dump new sand in. With glass, once you cleaned it out and you've checked the fittings, you add X amount of coarse media glass, and then X amount of fine media. And if that's not done properly, I could certainly see there be a potential issue with that. So that might be something to check for as well.